Hi friends, it's Kelly and you are welcome back to our channel Knowledge and Beauty. So guys, it's
all about black and white mandala art. For that, what you need one blank page and only black gel pen, and that's it. No more wait, so let's get started. Now simply first thing first, take one blank page, take one old and super old pencil. You can take anything. If you have new one, you can take that and create one feather shape. Then you have to take one black gel pen. You can take one black ballpoint pen also and fill that feather shaped and size. Okay, and then what you have to do, you have to create some mandala art to fill that. And wherever this black gel pen work will be done, take one eraser and erase all the pencil lines. Okay, so that it will looks like neat and clean. And then one by one you have to fill this mandala work with this black gel pen. Okay, so one by one you have to fill this small boxes like this. Okay, so whenever it will be done, then you can say that it's a gorgeous feather art. You can see there in the corner I have also created one small feather art, which is maybe in color, but this one is black and white. Okay, so whatever you like you can do. Maybe I also can change it to colorful feather art. Maybe, I'm not sure. Keep patience, believe in the processing whatever you are doing, and I can assure you that it will create one masterpiece. At the end you can see how it look like, but before that you have to do this. You have to be patient and also you have to work on your project. Okay. it almost taken 1.5 hours and now it's sunset time. See how it looks like when I have taken it in the sunset point. So guys, that's all for today's video, and if you do like this video then please like this, and also don't forget to subscribe this channel, because whenever you subscribe this channel then it will motivate me to create more and more new things. Thank you guys for watching this. Bye bye, take care.